Welcome to SADF Estate YouTube channel. Today's video we will discuss about whether you should buy a home or build the house. Whatever option you will choose, we will give you the complete info guide to make sure that your project go through smoothly. We will discuss the advantages and disadvantages buying the house or building the house. Of course, buying the house is easier than building the house. If you want to buy the house, simply you search online or contact the property dealer. He will show you different houses according to your budget. Once you choose the house and finally decided to buy that house, you offer the seller, and if he accepts your offer, congratulations, then you go through paperwork. Your property consultant will guide you all the paperwork process, and hopefully within 2 months you will move in your new home. Of course, you pay more when you buy a home. Mostly builder, they buy the plot and build the house. Usually they take 25 to 30% profit of their time and their investment. Once you buy the house, you have no way of knowing what kind of material he used while building the house. Some things you can see, for example, windows, doors, kitchen cabinets, etc., floor, roof, but other things while building the house, especially foundation and material that builder used, you cannot see. You have to trust that he used good materials. One thing is for sure, when you build your own home, you choose the best materials compared to builder. Some builder build the house like their own house with good materials and with creativity, and their house sell fast. But there are very few that kind of builder. Once you build the house your own, you have to find good contractor. You have to be a good with dealing with different people and going and purchasing the all materials. So you must have time that you can spend doing all those things. But because of your business or your job, if you cannot spare time to manage all those things, then it's good for you to buy a new home. If you cannot find good contractor, then you end up in big nightmare. You can minimize that by choosing the good contractor. One advantage of building the house is that you don't need full payment. You spend money gradually, usually within 1 year or so, compared to when you buy a house, you pay full amount. Once you build the house, you may face different surprise while building the house. In Pakistan, surprising, there is no such a department that verify the quality of construction of the house that buyer needs for their satisfaction. You must ask a references from your contractor. He will show you the house he has built. You go there, ask the owner, and whether the owner of the house was satisfied or not. Simply just don't depend upon the reference he gave you. Research and investigate yourself from the market. Once you satisfy the contractor past record, it's good, then you make the agreement. Whether you want to build 125, 250 or 500 square yard, you fix the full and total price of the gray structure first. You must understand he gave you in written what things are included in gray structure. Usually most contractor play with that things, for example, water tank was not included, this thing was not included, etc. So once you understand, and he mentioned those things in written agreement, then you can minimize surprises. You make a payment scheduled when and how much you will pay gradually. For example, if contractor has done the work of 5 lakh rupees, you will pay around 5 lakh rupees or less. And most important, anytime while building the house, if your contractor does not show up or gives you hard time, you can terminate him. You must mention that in agreement. You buy all material from yourself. Do not depend on contractor. You have to appoint trustworthy guard on your own. Do not depend contractor guard. You have to appreciate, respect your contractor while he is doing work step by step. Compensate him by lunch, dinner when his team has done good work. Make sure to keep friendly relation with him. You have to fix the completion of gray structure time. And if he cannot finish gray structure within time period, then you must mention in that agreement what there would be penalty, or you can terminate him, etc. Those things in agreement will save your time, save your money, and you will not end up big surprises. Building the house is not easy, especially when you are doing the first time. But if you follow the above mentioned guideline, it will be less difficult without surprises. We hope you like this video. If you don't understand anything, you have any question, feel free to call us and we will help from choosing the plot to choosing the good contractor or choosing the new home. Please thumbs up the like button, subscribe our channel to see more similar video first. Thanks for watching SADF Estate YouTube channel.